Hello, this is Badri here from RSoft. Today, we are going to see Tours and Travel CRM. RSoft is a world-class tours and travel CRM which can be used by all people in this industry. Example, tours and travel agents, tours and travel companies, and freelancers, as well as it is very useful for all the people who are running in this industry. So now we are going to see how we can improve the efficiency of the people working in the tours and travels company, as well as how we are going to triple the revenue by automating your business. Assume this is the website of your tours and travels company. So all the inquiries which are coming through your website, either it could be the calls from this number, or it could be a WhatsApp from this number, or it could be a chatbot, and even it could be from online portals also. So now I'm going to send a sample inquiry. Yes, I'm going to type my name, email address, as well as what I need. I'm going to type it. I'm just clicking on send message. It hardly takes a couple of seconds so that it passes the information and says form submitted successfully. So now we have received that inquiry in the lead module. So you can see that inquiry is being received in this lead. So this is what I have sent. So I have given my email address. I have come from online and website. You can see the lead source and medium as well. And as soon as the inquiry is received, the CRM automatically creates a new lead, and then it triggers an email as well as WhatsApp. Now you can see how the welcome email looks like. This is the welcome email I have received, and it's completely customizable, and it will be from your email address. So next one is WhatsApp. Yes, I have received a WhatsApp message. You can see here, welcome to ABC Travels, and this is also completely customizable. So this impression will be very good impression to the customers. For example, if a customer is inquiring in your website, instantly they are getting more details about your company in the WhatsApp as well as in an email. It builds brands trust in the customer. So when you communicate with them, it will be very easy for them. And moreover, you can send brochures and standard details about your company, so that will improve the impression of your company and project your brand image. So now I have received the inquiry. As an agent, I have received an inquiry. So automatically, if you have 5 agents, the inquiry will be distributed. Either it is product wise or package wise or international, domestic or equal. However your company prefers, we can distribute the inquiries. So now you can see the customer has received this message. As soon as he types in, you can see like we will receive the response. So once we receive the response, we will be able to reply back to the customer in live. So currently you have only 2 ticks. Once the customer sees the message, you will have a blue tick. Okay, as a customer, I have seen the message. Now you can see it's blue tick. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to call the customer. So it's a very simple click to call solution. So just click to call, click on the primary or secondary number, whatever you have, and the call is being triggered from the system. I'm receiving a call in my phone. Hello, this is a test call for Travel CRM. Testing call, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I spoke to the customer. So as soon as I speak to the customer, I'm going to note down a quick action. It's a unique solution in RSoft where you need not to go to multiple fields. You can update all at once, and this is also completely configurable. So itinerary pending. So itinerary pending, you should follow up tomorrow. Prepare the itinerary and then you should follow tomorrow. Perfect. So now I have two options for the customer. Either I can send a standard itinerary or few customer will prefer a customized itinerary. So in RSoft, we have multiple options like standard packages, customized packages. So I'm going to give a standard itinerary to the customer. So what I'm going to do is like click on the itinerary and click on standard itinerary. Standard itinerary, during the onboarding of your company, we will understand what are the standard packages you have and we will be able to fill it up for you. So in the standard packages, you will be able to send all the details to the customer, and by default, you can see here, you have sent the itinerary like that. You can send in WhatsApp or you can send directly via email. However you prefer, you can send the itinerary to the customer. In case if a customer is asking for a customized itinerary, so what you're going to do is like prepare a customized itinerary here. So likewise, you can prepare all the details whatever you want, and you can you can quote whatever prices you have a standard or customized, and then you can generate an itinerary on your own. This PDF itinerary is completely customizable as per your company needs. This is just a demo sample itinerary, how it will look like. Within 2 minutes, you can send the itinerary to the company. Not just you, any staff in your company can download this itinerary and you can send it to the customer. So itinerary being sent to the customer. We do have automated sending options, but I'm showing you the simple option for you. So itinerary is being received by the customer. Now you can see whether the customer has gone through the itinerary. Yes, he has gone through the itinerary. And you can add up a following task accordingly. And the next day or day after tomorrow, you can follow up and finalize like that. The main thing and the beauty of the CRM is like for a particular customer, if they are planning for a tour, they will plan for multiple locations. For example, they will first ask for Nepal. And based on the budget, timing and criteria, they feel like, okay, instead of Nepal, I prefer going for Dubai. Then again, you will be preparing an itinerary. So even if that trip also, they wanted an option for Thailand as well. Likewise, you can see how many itineraries, how many quotations you have given for particular this customer and what are the ones which has got converted. Likewise, you can have a complete track of the customer in a single place. Okay, assume the customer has finalized a Nepal trip. So what you can do is you can send a sample link like this, and you can sample link, you can see how you can collect all the information like passport, like visa. So you can have a checklist of your own, and it's an advanced version of Google Forms. So where you need not to ask your customers every time for a single document. Like this, it will be branded in your name and you can gather all the information related to the travel in a single page, so that they can attach the passport copy and they attach the visa, everything in one place, and all the documents will come into your system automatically without asking for one by one. So this will help to build more trust with the customers, and once they submit the document for the next travel, you need not to again ask the customer about the documents. You can utilize the same documents, only you can ask for the remaining documents to the customer. Likewise, you can see all this information like how many calls you made and what is the recording of the call, whatever you spoke, everything will be in a single place. and how many times the customer came, whether he came in a server call, whether he came in a website, everything will be in one place. In case if your agents are meeting the customer, you can see how many times you had appointments with them, and in case home visit or online visit, online clarity, everything can be completely tracked. And in the comments, in case if any person is on leave, another person or the supervisor can handle the customer very well, as everything is centralized. So this system will be able to take your business to the next level. For example, one of the leading tours and travels company is using our CRM with 50-member team. They are doing a turnover of 50 crores per year. They started with 10 crores, and within just couple of years, they have added people, branches, as well as across Tamil Nadu, and they have taken their business to the next level. Likewise, you can completely automate from lead to itinerary in just 2 minutes. If any customer is asking you for an itinerary, if you take a lot of time, they will think like we're not organized. And if you're taking time for itinerary itself, it will be very difficult for them to plan their travel with us. So everything, if it is handy, all your executive can do and independently work on their own. So likewise, this is the beauty of world-class CRM, which is specifically designed for travel industry. It's a simple system where you can clear not attempted, re-engaged, and today's follow-up. If your team member, any telecaller or the caller or the agent wanted to do their best work, if you clear all this to zero, then you have done the good day for it. In case if you're going for a leave, you need to clear up the missed follow-up leads, which is also included in the bucket. It's a very simple to use system. So all the inquiries from calls, bots, website, online portals, and any other references will be in a single place, and automatically it's distributed among your agents, and you can track whether they are responding correctly. If in case nobody responded as per your SLA, the system will notify you. And for the same system, we do have a simple to use mobile app. So in the same mobile app, you will be able to track everything. Assume you are on the move and you wanted to generate an itinerary to the customer. So you can do this same in a simple mobile app as well. We have mobile app in Android and iOS. You can see the same values here, and you can generate an itinerary in a few clicks here itself. So you can see the beautiful itinerary here, and within your mobile app itself, you can generate an itinerary and you can send it to your customers. So in the mobile app, if you have any field people who wanted to collect documents, direct passports, everything, they can use the mobile app. From attendance to track location, from auto dialing, everything is configured in mobile app. And even if you have people in the office, they can even use mobile app in case if you have any space constraints or working from a different location, you can use this mobile app. It's completely cloud-based and Android-based. We do have an Android-based auto dialer system where you can utilize that for making cold calls and generate leads to improve your business. This CRM is not only this, it's completely configurable and customizable as per your business needs. Now we are going to see the admin part. So if you're an admin, if you log in, all your team's data will be visible into this system. So this is an admin dashboard, so you can see all the details. For example, how many itinerary pending, how many leads re-engaged, what are the status of the leads, whether we have got good quality leads, and how many people are having pipeline. So what is the expected business this month? So how many packages are expected here? So completely we have all the options in the standard system. So regarding the appointments, you can see today, this week, this month, and all appointments. And you can see how many customized packages we have. And all these options you can add or remove whatever you like. And in the calls, we have a complete dashboard like today's calls, outgoing calls, everything is completely defined. Another admin friendly feature is like you can set up how many ever widgets you want and you can see and monitor the data. For example, this month, how many leads has come from what are the sources, which sources, Facebook, Google, everywhere you can see how many sources has been given, and you can dissect the data here. And if you want to set up a target, you can set up a target of the business here. So it's completely travel specific CRM, from attendance of your staff till delivering the packages. Completely it can be customizable. And not only this, we have given completely till after sales support, emergency number, ticket based issues, everything has been completely given. And one more unique system what we have is a feedback management system. After every travel, you can take a feedback from your clients who traveled with you, and based on the feedback you can improve the gaps. And in case if they're rating low, it will be escalated to the concerned team. If they are giving a very good rating, it will be passed on to the Google reviews, where you can add beautiful reviews from your travelers. Apart from this, we do have a critical options like business intelligence level of report. So all these reports are completely predefined, and if you want to customize any report, you can customize here. For example, our business reports are completely, you can drag and drop the columns you want. You can add up a total, you can group by rows or columns, you can aggregate the columns using percentage. So it's completely, you have 10, 20 standard reports. Apart from that, you can define the report however you want. So all these reports are very useful to run your business and forecast your sales. Not only this, let's say every day you want 7 p.m. the reports for the day. You can schedule the reports and you can be in peace, so that automatically that report will be sent to you. And we have a very unique functionality where we can send you the reports in your WhatsApp as well. If you're a person not checking emails frequently, you can use the WhatsApp report option. So you have module-wise reports, you have standard reports, and you do have advanced reports. And for admin, it will be a pain area where if you get big leads. For example, if you are participating in an expo, you get 5,000 to 10,000 leads. So what we have done is like a simple click to import option. For example, if you click on import, you can choose the Excel file. Excel file should be completely organized, because only if you organize Excel file, the system will be able to import it without any issues. So just once you click on the CSV file and match the fields, the system will be automatically able to import all the options for you. And one more beautiful option what we have given here is you can choose shuffling here. For example, if you have 1,000 leads and 5 agents, each agent will be getting 200 leads. You need not to manually shuffle or interchange the leads. The system will take care of this for you. So if you import the lead and choose whom the leads should be assigned, automatically the system will assign the leads to them. So we have an auto dialer functionality as well. I will post a video on the same. AI based auto dialer, which is going to be the trendsetter of real estate calling system. So this is a very new technology which has been introduced first in India by RSoft. For example, if your telecallers are making 150 to 200 calls per day, without any additional effort, they will be effortlessly make 250 to 300 calls a day using this auto dialer. So now we are going to see how this auto dialer works so that you can understand what I mean. So first, if I have more calls, I can use this auto dial. For example, today I have 113 new leads. To call this, it will be a difficult task to dial one by one number and back to back. So what I'm doing is I'm going to use auto dialer and show you how easy, like a cakewalk, I'm doing 113 calls. So first I'm clicking on the new leads. So now I see the list of calls I'm supposed to make. So in the bottom right corner, I have an AI auto dialer icon. So this is an add-on product from RSoft. You will be able to purchase it and use the auto dialers. There are two types of auto dialer. One is just with the call log, another one is call recording. Only in Samsung phones are non-Google dialer phones. Currently, the call recording is available. To start the call through AI, click on the AI button in the bottom right corner. So I have clicked on the AI button. Now the list is being loaded into the queue. So what I'm going to do, I have two options. Either I can start from the middle in case if I'm coming from a break. So or I can start from the top. From the top, I can dial the call. So first call I'm going to dial. So I have disconnected the call because it's the demo system. So likewise, your telecaller can dial the call and update the status. In this blue pop-up, you can see like whom you're dialing and whatever the commands you have already spoken, you will be able to see. And in the bottom left corner, you can see who is going to be dialed next and how many calls I have remaining. So after I speak with the customer, I can click on the update button. So this on dialer really goes well with Bluetooth headsets. So if you're buying a very good noise cancellation headsets like OnePlus and Samsung phone, more than a computer, this AI-based auto dialer will give you very, very productive results. Almost 5,000 plus telecallers are using this auto dialer and seamlessly, effortlessly handling their calls, and they're very happy about using the system. So I have completed the call. Now I should update and then only the next call will be triggered. So I can change. This is a follow-up and I can change for tomorrow. So now I'm not going to type the comments. Instead, I can use my voice and type the comment. Customer is busy at the moment, so he said he will call me back. So this is the power of AI. Now, while I'm on the auto dialer, I will be able to send WhatsApp message to a customer using a single template, and I can do by WhatsApp Business API, or I can use my mobile WhatsApp also. So I can send an SMS and I can send an email as well. So these are the basic requirements on time-consuming options for each and every telecaller. So we have given it in a very handy way. So once you complete the call, there are three options in the bottom. Either I can submit a next call, or I can redial this customer, or I can submit and stop. If I am going for a break, I can do submit and stop, or I can click on submit and next call. I'm going to show you one more time how this dialer works. You can show up whatever the fields you like and your telecaller like in the top. The 5 fields are completely dynamic and comments completely it will show. And as you see, like I have made the second call and it is showing like 89 calls are remaining. So likewise, you can fire the calls back to back. So this is the new technology. Please use the power of AI and give the comfort of your telecaller to give more risk. So this RSoft is very, very affordable. Please contact your sales manager for your dialer today. And we do have trial options as well. So you can try out the product in case if you're happy. Dear customer, so RSoft, I'm going to tell you after sales support as well. So before buying any software, you need to check how their support is, what's their track history, how long they've been in the market, and how much customers are using and what kinds of customers they're using. So before going to RSoft, let me explain about the software support. So we have a complete world-class onboarding system. So first of all, as soon as you book an order with software, so we dedicate a person who's expert in that industry. For example, you're into a manufacturing industry, we dedicate a person and create a WhatsApp group who's having a very good experience, handled at least 10 to 20 clients in that segment will be assigned to you. And to monitor and support him, we will assign a project manager. And we will assign a quality person who is going to check the quality and timely delivery of the project. So beyond which, I will, as a founder and CEO, I will also be in the group ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. So we take normally 1 to 2 weeks to completely configure flow, fields, modules, as well as integrate all the options and provide you training reports for the entire software. Once after 2 weeks, again, we will have a feedback call about our onboarding process. Once you're happy, your project will be moved to the support. Support, we have 365 days support, emergency support, and general business hours support as well. We can support you in every possible way. For example, you can raise a ticket and within 2 to 4 hours you will get a response in the business hours. So you have a WhatsApp bot where you can chat directly, and you can have a WhatsApp bot support as well. So our business hours are completely Monday to Friday 10 to 6, Saturday 10 to 4. And we have given you the escalation matrix, including my email address. So I'm happy to help you, and we are, as a team, we will grow. And RSoft has a proven record of 12 years with its enterprise clients, and look forward for you to join RSoft family and have a great day ahead. Thank you.